So day 2 in Rome has just started and we got some sunshine, and the weather forecast for today is 27 degrees, believe it or not, and it's a mid-April day. I had a look at the map yesterday and I found a little spot which you may not know, but it provides a really nice view of the city. So I'm gonna show you that in a minute. But first, let's get to the B-roll. So when you walk around the white statue and you get on top of this Capitol, or Capitolini as it's called, you have to take the little road right there, and this is what you're gonna get. You might be wondering, what was that view that you just saw? Well, I'll give you a little secret. You do recognize that little thing. It's not that little, but when you go around it and you get up to the Capitol Piazza, or when you get up the stairs, you go straight to the right. And there's a little street that may seem kind of closed or private or anything like that, but you have to take it, and you have to walk like 100 meters. You're gonna get to a museum, and even though it's so close to tourist attractions, look at how many people we have here. Almost none. So even though it's so close to the famous tourist attractions, it's kind of like a hidden gem. And the view that you get, there you go. You can see all kinds of buildings, including the Vatican City. So this is pretty much like the hidden gem that I found in Rome, and I think we can move on to the Spanish Steps and Fontana di Trevi. See you there. As much as this is nice, it's so full of tourists, you can't fucking move. Yeah, this is the not so good part of Rome, but when you turn around, whoop,